So as doctors, we often see that the medications which are meant to heal can result in some unexpected problems. So here is a case of a 50-year-old woman who came to us with severe gum swelling. It developed suddenly, and it was because of her heart and joint medications. This is why we do what we do. Seeing that instant transformation, that gratification, that instant relief makes it all worthwhile. She was in pain, there was swelling, she couldn't eat well. In fact, she was embarrassed as well. She tried everything possible, right from mouthwashes to salt water gargles to warm water to different toothpastes. At one point, she even asked us, "Do I have to live with this forever?" But we assured her, no, there is a solution. The procedure was quick, comfortable, and required no major downtime. And the best part, by the time she left our clinic, she was already smiling again.